Advanced Technological Improvement Aids. Welcome to an in-depth exploration of advanced technological improvements, aiding the aviation industry. Today, we will look at various cutting-edge technologies, and their profound impact on aviation operations. We will cover artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, beacon technology, digital twins, mobility and cloud services, the drone revolution, predictive aircraft maintenance, and 3D printing in additive manufacturing. Let's embark on this journey through the technological marvels shaping the future of aviation. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the aviation industry by automating complex tasks, enhancing operational efficiency, and improving passenger experiences. AI-powered systems are used for flight scheduling, predictive maintenance, customer service, and even safety management. Flight scheduling algorithms, powered by AI, optimize routes, reduce fuel consumption, and manage air traffic more efficiently. Predictive maintenance systems analyze data from aircraft sensors to predict potential failures, minimizing downtime, and ensuring safety. Air chatbots and virtual assistants provide passengers with real-time information and support, enhancing their overall travel experience. By automating these tasks, AI allows airline personnel to focus on more critical aspects of operations, ultimately improving efficiency and safety. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects devices and systems, enabling real-time data exchange, and improving operational visibility. In aviation, IoT technology is used to monitor aircraft performance, manage baggage, track cargo, and enhance passenger services. IoT sensors on aircraft collect data on engine performance, fuel consumption, and structural integrity. This data is transmitted to ground-based systems for analysis, allowing for proactive maintenance, and reducing the risk of in-flight failures. Baggage handling systems use IoT to track luggage throughout the airport, ensuring timely and accurate delivery to passengers. Additionally, IoT-enabled smart devices in airports provide passengers with real-time updates on flight status, gate changes, and other important information. Beacon technology. Beacon technology uses small, wireless devices that transmit signals to nearby smartphones and tablets. In airports, beacons are used to improve navigation, enhance passenger experiences, and streamline operations. Beacons can guide passengers through the airport, providing turn-by-turn directions to gates, lounges, and other facilities. They can also send personalized notifications about flight updates, boarding times, and promotional offers. For airport operators, beacons provide valuable data on passenger movement and behavior, helping to optimize staffing, security, and other resources. Digital twins. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical assets, processes, or systems, used for simulation and analysis. In aviation, digital twins are employed for aircraft, engines, and even entire airport systems. Digital twins of aircraft and engines enable real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. By simulating different scenarios, engineers can identify potential issues and develop solutions before they occur in the real world. Digital twins of airport systems allow operators to simulate passenger flow, optimize security checkpoints, and improve overall efficiency. This technology reduces maintenance costs, enhances safety, and improves the passenger experience. Doubling down on maintenance. Maintenance is a critical aspect of aviation operations, and advanced technologies are revolutionizing how it's conducted. Predictive maintenance, enabled by AI and IoT, is becoming the industry standard. Predictive maintenance systems analyze data from aircraft sensors to predict when components will fail, allowing for proactive repairs and replacements. This approach reduces unplanned downtime, lowers maintenance costs, and ensures the highest levels of safety. Additionally, digital twins enable more accurate simulations and testing, further enhancing maintenance procedures. Aviation Digital Transformation Survey. The aviation industry is undergoing a digital transformation, and surveys provide valuable insights into the progress and challenges. Recent surveys highlight the widespread adoption of digital technologies and the benefits they bring. Results show that airlines and airports are investing heavily in AI, IoT, and other advanced technologies to improve efficiency, safety, and customer satisfaction. However, the surveys also reveal challenges, such as data integration, cybersecurity, and the need for skilled personnel. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the successful digital transformation of the aviation industry. Mobility and cloud services. Mobility and cloud services are integral to the digital transformation of aviation. These technologies enable real-time data access, improve operational efficiency, and enhance passenger services. Mobile apps allow passengers to manage their travel, from booking flights to tracking baggage. Airline staff use mobile devices to access real-time information, improving communication and decision-making. Cloud services provide scalable and secure data storage, enabling airlines to streamline operations and reduce IT costs. Additionally, cloud-based systems facilitate collaboration between different departments and stakeholders, enhancing overall efficiency. Drone revolution. Drones are transforming various aspects of aviation, from inspections and maintenance to cargo delivery and emergency response. The drone revolution is opening new possibilities for the industry. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors are used for aircraft inspections, reducing the time and cost associated with traditional methods. In cargo delivery, drones offer faster and more efficient solutions, particularly in remote or hard-to-reach areas. Drones are also used in emergency response, providing real-time data and improving coordination during incidents. The integration of drones into aviation operations is enhancing efficiency, safety, and service delivery. Aircraft maintenance and safety. Advanced technologies are enhancing aircraft maintenance and safety, ensuring the highest standards in aviation operations. Predictive maintenance, enabled by AI and IoT, is revolutionizing how aircraft are maintained. Predictive maintenance systems analyze data from aircraft sensors to predict potential failures, allowing for proactive repairs and replacements. This approach minimizes unplanned downtime, reduces maintenance costs, and ensures the highest levels of safety. Additionally, digital twins provide accurate simulations and testing, further enhancing maintenance procedures. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a game changer in aviation, enabling more efficient and effective maintenance practices. By analyzing data from aircraft sensors, predictive maintenance systems can predict when components will fail, allowing for proactive repairs and replacements. This approach reduces unplanned downtime, lowers maintenance costs, and ensures the highest levels of safety. Predictive maintenance also improves resource allocation, as maintenance teams can focus on critical issues, rather than routine inspections. The adoption of predictive maintenance is transforming how airlines manage their fleets, enhancing operational efficiency and safety. 3D printing additive manufacturing. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing the production of aircraft components. This technology allows for the creation of complex parts, with high precision and efficiency. 3D printing reduces production time and costs, as parts can be manufactured on demand, rather than in bulk. It also enables the production of lightweight components, improving fuel efficiency, and reducing emissions. In maintenance, 3D printing allows for the rapid production of replacement parts, minimizing downtime, and improving operational efficiency. The adoption of 3D printing is transforming aircraft manufacturing and maintenance, offering significant benefits in terms of cost, efficiency, and sustainability. Lean manufacturing principles. Lean manufacturing principles focus on minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. In aviation, these principles are applied to various aspects of operations, from production to maintenance. By adopting lean manufacturing, airlines and aircraft manufacturers can reduce costs, improve quality, and enhance operational efficiency. This approach involves continuous improvement, where processes are regularly reviewed and optimized. Lean manufacturing also emphasizes the importance of collaboration and communication, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned and working towards common goals. The adoption of lean manufacturing principles is transforming aviation operations, driving efficiency and innovation. In conclusion, advanced technological improvements are revolutionizing the aviation industry, driving efficiency, enhancing safety, and improving passenger experiences. From air and IoT to digital twins and 3D printing, these technologies are transforming how airlines operate and maintain their fleets. The digital transformation of aviation is enabling more efficient and effective practices, ensuring the highest standards of safety and service delivery. As the industry continues to embrace these technologies, the future of aviation looks promising, with endless possibilities for innovation and improvement. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the advanced technological improvements aiding the aviation industry.